not a TV studio. Josh, turn these lights out. It's a fucking rock concert. Ready to stand up.
All right, look at here. Give you a little intro real quick. We had a tournament this Saturday for CCKF here on Shearon Harris. And because of the weather, the schedule changed a couple times. We finally ended up being able to fish Saturday and Sunday. I chose to go out Saturday because I didn't think I was going to be able to get out Sunday. And Saturday was very unpleasant, as you'll see in the video. The video does not do it justice, but I did get out a little bit on Sunday, the day after. I got about an hour and a half in the morning, and ended up getting an hour and a half or so in the afternoon, right when the tournament ended. I didn't get any bites. This video covers pretty much Saturday. There wasn't anything to show. The fish that I lost that you didn't get to see because of some technological issues, which is also the reason why you didn't get to see the first fish. But that fish, if I'd have landed that, I'm fairly certain I'd had a big bass and won the tournament with that fish, but I didn't. So I ain't win shit. I got 4th place, and I'm going to burn this stupid ass net. But anyway, enjoy it, like, subscribe, all that great stuff. Check out Bass and Brews podcast. Got a great guest on this week that's dropping tomorrow morning. Thank you. Hey-o. I don't think we're going to need a big bag today. I could be wrong, but it's going to be tough fishing. Just need to catch some fish. So that's just what I'm going to be out here trying to do this morning. I mean, it's the bullshit. This shit right here is fucking stupid. I mean, how does this happen? So dumb. Oh Lord, don't do that. No. Don't do that. Don't do that. Oh, look at this shit. I mean, look at this shit. Get a knot. One place I wanted to fish. Now I gotta take that shit out. What the fuck is this? This kind of shit that happens in the morning time does just... Oh, I ain't got my damn cutters. So I got my first fish I caught in the net. And I caught the fish and realized I did not have my ID card. So I had to go back and get it to measure the fish. You assholes, that squeaking's my Crocs. Get your shit together. Get your shit together. Let's get this fish measured. After a cluster of epic proportions, 17 inch, I could not squeeze 17 1/4 out of it. Nice little fish. We're gonna get them in the water. Go try to do it again. Woo! I'm gonna do shit in this. Is that front hitting? Probably gonna have about 10-15 minutes of this. And then it should die down. Fish this point, take a tinkle. In the famous words of Forrest Gump, I got the pay. Alright, we back. We got out of that rain gear. Got my coffee. You can tell I'm in my transition pants. Y'all, they're gonna be dry here just in a few. As soon as I get out here into the wind and get all that stuff going. Oh shit, my dumbass. Forgot my... Now we can go fish, I think. Unless there's something else I done forgot. GoPro, start recording. GoPro, start recording. That's a 19, 20-inch fish. Just lost. I cannot believe that. I cannot believe that. My own stupidity. My own stupidity on that. I cannot believe I just did that. God almighty. Y'all, that's just asinine stupidness here. Absolutely stupid. Y'all, lost that damn fish trying to net it. I tried to scoop too early and got the hook, popped it right the fuck out. Fish on. GoPro, stop recording. I'm not a good enough damn angler to be losing fish. I ain't that good. I can't make up for shit like that usually. Come on. There's been 2 here over the last 5 hours. I've got about 5 hours left. So maybe there's 2 more. Stupid net. Hey Siri, call wife on speaker. I just lost a damn 5-pounder. Just doing something dumb. Damn it.
How long are you gonna be out there?
Until it's over. Jeff Malott from KBM posted a video on his YouTube. I think it was yesterday. He dropped his whole terminal tackle, floated down to the bottom, got pissed off and left. He talked about learning a lesson. I'm pissed off, but I'm not gonna lie, that shit is stuck at the front of my head right now. It's making me smile, because he said, you know, who knows what he could have done the rest of the day. Could have caught more fish. So I'm gonna keep fishing and be pissed off and hope that I didn't just fuck it up. Big fish. Big fish. Come on, baby. Stay on. Big fish. Get in this net, baby. Yes! Get in this net. Get in this net. Get in this net. Hell yes. All right. Fish number 2. All right, just relax. Put your tail down. Relax. Just get this picture. Get you back in the water. Okay? All right, there we go. 18-incher right here. Fish number 2. Some pretty fish. The wind has just died down significantly. I'm sure it's going to be short-lived, but I am going to enjoy the shit out of it right now. Got another fish on. Come on, baby. Feels like a good one. Oh, yeah, it is. Fucking carp. No, don't break my shit. Stop. Why can't this bitch come off? Nasty asshole carp. Look at this stupid bitch. Sure. Bass? Yeah. Comes right off. Carp. Tangles up the net, the hooks, everything. Don't you be doing no stupid shit that how you're done. Stop! Damn. Y'all, I'm about to throw this damn net in the water. That's stupid net. Come on, man. How the hell does this even happen? I knew it was acting funny. Big ass old nasty carp. Big old carp. Got me excited for nothing. Stupid carp. Y'all, it's starting to rain again. But it's hard rain. Because it's colder than shit. It ain't snow, it ain't none of that mess, but damn, it's cold. I mean, it is cold, y'all. The wind ain't let up a nary bit. Well, I just looked at the radar, wasn't even anything on the damn thing. Stupid rain. I really think I probably could have caught these same fish with only 10 miles per hour winds. Not ever what the hell it is. What it is sucks. Y'all, a damn snowflake just fucking went by. A damn snowflake. What in the sandpaper? Come on. Give me a break. Losing that big fish could come back to bite me in the ass. It should. Make me learn my lesson about freaking out, doing stupid shit. Even if I catch one, it ain't gonna matter. It's done. Over. The day is over. It is 39 degrees. I think it was like 54 when we launched this morning. The wind was, talked about it all damn day. And I'm sure y'all heard it.
probably didn't hear anything I said. Wind was rough, got cold, fishing was tough. I lost a fish up to this point, probably big fish. I only caught 2. Only one other person today caught a fish, 1. But folks can fish tomorrow. The lows tonight supposed to be like 20 degrees, and the wind's blowing tomorrow 10 miles an hour. So I think they got wind chills down into the teens. Who knows though? I mean, these, typically they wouldn't bite, but since there's a tournament that I want to win, they'll probably tear them up. But it's going to be cold. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to be able to fish it. If I do, it'll be on this. But wasn't a bad day. It was very, very unpleasant. But I got bites and caught fish, and we're in the area they were in. Till next time. Hey-o.